What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite 3 hairstyles I like to wear when my twists are in and I'm going to work or just out in public, hanging out with my sisters, anything like that. So for the first style, I always do a half up, half down. So I'm going to show you guys now. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory, but I'm going to show you guys. So starting with the half up, half down, I take the twists that are in the front and I gather them all in a ponytail up top. Then I go in with my scrunchie and just put those into ponytail. As you can see, I have some shorter pieces in the front. It's because I cut off some of my heat damage. All I do with these, I just take them and I loop them into the twist. Or you could get a bobby pin, whatever works best for you. But bobby pins have feet and they run away from you, so I don't know where any of mine are. But this is just how I do it anyway. The next thing I always do is my baby bangs. I have to. This is my favorite step of doing my hair. So I just take my toothbrush and my gel and I just start to comb down my baby bangs, baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. I call it baby bangs. So once my baby bangs are laid down, that is it for this style. This is my favorite style. This is the one that I wear the most. Yeah, I just love the half up, half down. I feel like it makes you look younger too, but I really like this hairstyle. You can bring a piece down in the front if you want for a little something extra. I typically don't do this because I don't know. I'm just so used to the way that I already wear it, which is just straight up and down. But yeah, this is cute as well. This is the first hairstyle. And moving on to the next one, which is super, this one is probably the easiest, and I think this one will work for shorter hair as well. So all you do is take your twists and you're just gonna gather them behind your ear. I have these clips here. I have one gold one. Of course, for this video, I couldn't find the other one, but typically I would wear the gold one. And I have some polka dot ones as well. I'm gonna put in the black one. So all I do is gather my hair behind my ear and I just flip it back like that. And then I do the same exact thing to the other side. And I position it to where it'll be nice and neat in the front. So this style is a great way to just still have your twist hanging, but just, have it in a style rather than just leaving them loose. I know for me, I have a lot of short pieces in the front, so it kind of looks weird when I just wear my twist straight down. This one is of course the easiest. All you have to do is just clip your hair back. And I think this will work great for shorter styles because you may not be able to put it up or put it in a low ponytail or anything like that. But doing this just makes it look like, you tried to style your hair or you did style your hair, So this is another good style to where you twist in. The last style would be to wear it in a low ponytail for me. And this also provides a good stretch on your twist as well, so that they can be like elongated when you take them down if you do leave it in a ponytail. And all I'm doing is leaving the clips in on the sides of my head and then just pulling it into a ponytail. And it's nice and neat. I think this style is also good for like if you're gonna go work out. I don't like to have like my hair just all in my face while I'm trying to work out and things like that. So this is a good way to still work out even after you've washed your hair. But if you're someone who sweats like me, I kind of avoid working out anyway when I first do my twist out because I don't want to sweat it out. But anyway, this is good for working out. And those are my 3 hairstyles that I like to put my twist in when I'm wearing it out. If you've watched the previous video of me doing my twist, showing you how I do it and what products I was using in that video, the best thing you can do to achieve the perfect twist out is to let your hair dry 110%. Like that is you're gonna see your best results by doing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please feel free to share, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I think this video turned out. Pimples everywhere, but you know, who's watching? Pimples. Did I do an intro? Cool.